Well, it's the worst day ever out. Rainy, windy, bullshit day to even work. Got a Triumph Speed triple pipe on the CB-1 now, and it's actually pretty goddamn awesome. Sealed up good. Fits in well with the line. No leaks. I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. Well, I need to seal her up a little bit better, and I need to work on the mount a little bit. It does clear the swing arm, but it's a little bit sketchy. I want to put 2 rubber bumpers in there off of the Triumph stock mount. I've got another one hanging around. So that should be easy. My problem is that the 70mm bolt I bought isn't quite long enough. So I think I'm going to try and shave one of these because I got 4 of them. See if I can get something nice and in the middle. Otherwise I have to go find an 80mm bolt, which Home Depot doesn't have. And I also want to seal up that joint a little bit better at the mid pipe, but overall I'd say she's pretty solid. Oh well, that's enough harassing the bike for now. I'm loving the deeper idle out of this, honestly. That's just pretty sweet. Very nice, very nice. Oh well, onwards and upwards.